Hello guys, CHOREOGRAPHY here, and today we'll be reacting to RUANN, her solo debut, Beep Beep, which came out 2 years ago, yeah. So the reason why I'm doing a reaction on RUANN is because MOONCHILD, which is her new girl group, will debut in May 3, 2023, and RUANN is one of the members. Oyama RUANN, her full name, yep. And also, this was requested again by my friend Syndra on Discord, and so shout out to Syndra again. This is actually my journey, my Moonchild journey. So I've started my journey on Moonchild as well, and to prepare for Moonchild's debut, I will be reacting to RUANN's performances, her debut song. And also we're gonna react to the survival shows as well. To the Icon Z, I think it's called Icon Z, the survival show where Moonchild was formed. So hopefully those reactions will not be blocked because it's a survival show reaction. Probably just gonna put a filter on it as well. But yeah, I will be reacting to those sometime this week as well. And yeah, let's just react to RUANN. I've already introduce RUANN to you guys on my Moonchild birthday teaser reaction. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I'll put it right here at the start of this video. Yep. So it's it will be at the top on the at the top of the screen. Yeah. All right. So let's react to RUANN. Beep Beep MV. She's actually called RUANN in Korea with a double N. And then we're gonna react to the performance as well. She's a visual man. She's oh man, I didn't expect her to be a really good dancer, man. Oh, no wonder she debuted in Korea, man, as a soloist. She even said her name in the song, man. Oh, this is good. I mean, this RUANN 3 years ago, man. She's definitely improved a lot now, and she's gotten a lot, prettier as well. You guys saw the concept photos for Moonchild, man. Oh, she's insane. She looks insane. And one of the most beautiful J-pop idols that I've seen so far. Is that her rapping? But she can rap as well? Oh, RUANN's insane, man. God, the visuals, man. She's cute, she's beautiful, what else, man? Oh. Three, two, one. This song is a bop, man. I think this was a really popular song, I guess, 3 years ago, but wait, let me see how many views this song has. Yeah, let's just watch them first. I don't think she was in the Nugu category, for soloists in Korea at that time. can sing ad-libs as well, man. She's just too good, man. Yeah, I think I picked the right, member. I guess I picked the right member for my bias in Moonchild already, man. It's RUANN. Yeah, she's freaking great. Talented, man. Oh, can't get enough of her. Oh. What's that? Is that a beep? Oh wow. 28k likes. I mean, it got 810k views. So it's not that too bad. I guess she was in the noogie category, but still had But I think it was still popular at that time. She didn't had a lot of fans, I guess, during her solo debut, but she is a really talented idol as well. She can dance, she can sing, she can rap. She's the whole package. And this is why Moonchild is going to be a promising J-pop girl group as well. Once they debut in May. Alright, now let's check out one of her performances. What's the same songs? Just RUANN Beep Beep choreography video apricot version. Alright. You know what? I'm actually put this song in my playlist, man. Even though it's an old song. But it's a really good debut song from RUANN, man. Oh. The way she sings her name in the song, just makes it even better, man. Oh, she's so good at dancing, man. She's got that charisma as well that it makes you wanna watch her perform. And oh, the bridge, man. She doing a dance break? I didn't see that in the MV. Too talented, man. I have nothing else to say, man. I absolutely enjoyed this performance. RUANN's so good, man. And this is why I'm really excited for MOONCHILD's debut. Because RUANN's one of the members, and she's definitely, she's definitely going to slay as well. For MOONCHILD's debut. Yep, so that was my reaction to RUANN, Beep Beep MV and Beep Beep choreography performance. Yeah, I'm really excited for MOONCHILD and especially for RUANN. She's already my bias in MOONCHILD. And like I said before, I will be reacting to the survival show as well, Icon Z. So look forward to those as well, guys. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to RUANN. I'm sure Sindra is going to enjoy this as well. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Also follow me on Instagram for the latest K-pop news, especially for Kepler and other K-pop girl groups. And thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in the next MOONCHILD reaction. I guess I'll be reacting to the survival show next.